guys, मैं हूँ दीक्षा शेट्टी. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about sunscreen. Now, if you don't care about using or wearing sunscreen, then you should start using it right away. I know a lot of us, like including me, जब मैं ऑफिस जाती थी मुझे लगता था कि मेरा जो ऑफिस टाइमिंग है it is from 9 to 7, so मैं ज़्यादा सन के लिए एक्सपोज नहीं होती हूँ. इस कारण मुझे लगता था कि I can skip using sunscreen, but it is not true, guys. Sunburn जो होता है it is like an immediate reaction, but जो sun damage होता है it is for lifetime. So if there is something you have to use on your skin today, let it be sunscreen, because it is going to protect you from this harmful UVA and UVB rays and from premature aging, dark spot, wrinkles and whatnot. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys one of the reasonable and best sunscreen available in Indian market. It is this Z Block. It is a sunscreen gel. This is how the packaging looks. Nice packaging. And मैंने already एक tube finish किया है इसका, और this is my second tube. This is how the tube looks. I really like how it came. It's like a normal packaging, so you just have to squeeze it. And apply. So let me tell you about the ingredients here. इसमें 25% जिंक ऑक्साइड है. Now 20% से ज़्यादा जिंक ऑक्साइड कोई भी सनस्क्रीन में है तो it is like the best one, because वो आपको full protection देने वाला है UVB and UV rays से. So if you are buying a sunscreen, check if there is like zinc oxide. वो भी 20+ zinc oxide है तो it is like the best one. So the other ingredients available are glycerin, vitamin E, acetate, carbomer, silicone oil, क्रॉस पॉलीमर, whatever, सब कुछ सेफ है. मैंने ऑलरेडी चेक किया है. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस इज नॉन comedogenic, if I am pronouncing it right. So it's not going to clog your pore. If you have pimples या acne scars है या ज़्यादा pores है आपके face में, तो then this is very safe, guys. And there is no harmful chemicals, no animal testing, preservative free and petroleum free, and the best thing is it's paraben free. So सब good things is sunscreen में available है. About how to apply sunscreen, I know a lot of us get confused whether to use moisturizer first या serum first या sunscreen. So let me clear that. First is moisturizer. Always moisturize your skin and then go for serum. Now serum is optional. आप serum use करते हो तो serum use कर सकते हो, नहीं तो you can go for sunscreen. So the second step is sunscreen. And in case आप foundation या compact use करते हो तो always go for SPF वाला sunscreen, foundation या compact. तो second comes sunscreen and third is your foundation or compact. And let me show you guys the consistency. It's super light, guys. It is not very liquidy, so it is like a creamy texture है इसमें, and very easily you can apply it. आप देख सकते हो. And I forgot to mention this, guys, it is water resistant almost for 80 minutes. So in case if you're going out swimming, then you can apply this, swim for 80 minutes and then you will have to reapply, which is really good, because usually जो sunscreen होते हैं वो water resistant नहीं मिलता है. The one I used to use was Bioderma. अभी भी वही use करती हूँ मैं, but it is a little expensive compared to this one. And जो swimming के लिए है and जो normal sun के लिए it's different. So जब भी मैं swimming या beach जाती हूँ I'll have to purchase another sunscreen which again cost about 1300 or something, and जो normal sun के लिए है वो भी 1300. So all together ये 2000 plus का वो sunscreen है.
Here's a small comparison. This is my favorite Bioderma sunscreen. It's a little light and runny consistency. Now I'm going to apply Z Block as well. So just taking little, and if you compare it with Bioderma, it's a little thick and the consistency is pretty fine. So first let me rub this on my skin. You can just see how it absorbs. It's not at all oily or greasy, very easily applicable and dries off matte. And now applying a Bioderma. So it is greasy, oily, and it leaves white cast, but again this is one of my favorite, and I don't really mind this white cast or yellow cast. But in case if you are someone who wants like non greasy or matte finish kind of a sunscreen, then Z Block is the one.
My take on this sunscreen, now I've been using it almost for a month now and I really like it. The best part is there is no white cast. Usually जो कोई भी sunscreen आप use करते हो वो white cast या yellow cast छोड़ देता है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, which is really nice, and आप इसे easily apply कर सकते हो, ज़्यादा rub करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, again which is nice. In case आप rush में हो तो आप easily use कर सकते हो. And the third thing is that I have super sensitive skin and ये ब्रेकआउट नहीं किया है मुझे. आई एम यूजिंग इट लाइक लिटरली एवरी सिंगल डे. आज भी मैंने यूज किया है एंड इट डिडंट ब्रेक मी आउट, सो इट इज सुपर गुड. एंड अगेन इट इज वाटर रेसिस्टेंट, तो आप दूसरे सनस्क्रीन परचेस करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आपको ऑयली वो पसंद नहीं है, ग्रीसी स्किन या ग्रीसी सनस्क्रीन नहीं पसंद है, देन इट इज रियली बेस्ट. आई रियली लव दिस सनस्क्रीन. The only negative thing about this sunscreen is that near the knob the cream gets a little crusty, maybe because of the heat. So I've started keeping it in my fridge and everything is fine. So I forgot to mention the price. The price of this is just 699 rupees, which I think is reasonable. Why? Because I know in market आपको 300 या 400 rupees में भी sunscreen मिल जाते हैं, but 25% zinc oxide कोई भी सनस्क्रीन में नहीं मिलने वाला है. तो आई वुड रेकमेंड यू टू यूज दिस सनस्क्रीन इन केस इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड सनस्क्रीन. इन केस आप ऑलरेडी इसे यूज कर रहे हो एंड आपको कुछ फीडबैक देना है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज राइट इट इन माई कमेंट सेक्शन, बिकॉज जो कोई भी पढ़ रहा है दे डू रीड लाइक कमेंट सेक्शन एज वेल. सो आपका फीडबैक उन्हें हेल्प करेगा. So that's it guys, I hope you like today's review. आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज कंसिडर करें सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.